Captain.
What?
I see a ship in the distance. It's headed straight for us and...
Oh, it will be fine. I'm sure they see us.
Don't you remember the Halifax explosion? We're carrying crude oil. If they hit us it could ignite.
Are you kidding me? Crude oil can't catch on fire.
I can't believe you're this stupid.
Why did they not turn?
Oh god, oh god. We're going to die.
Calm down. Engines reverse. Okay. Okay, we should be good.
Event type is explosive. For Brunswick, St. John. 2 ships have collided in the port of St. John. One has caught on fire, and is expected to cause a large explosion within the next few minutes. This situation is extremely similar to the Halifax explosion that happened 103 years ago. Please shelter in the lowest room of your home or evacuate the city now.
Captain, we might be dealing with an event similar to the Halifax explosion.
You think I don't f***ing know that?
Sir, please calm down.
There is no reason to calm down. We are going to die.
What is that?
Oh no. Well, it was nice knowing you.
What?
New contest.
What are you doing?
I am settling once and for all who is the smartest around here. Okay? Are you ready?
Absolutely. Bring it on.
Event type is flash flood. For the entirety of New Brunswick, 2 ships in the port of St. John have exploded after a collision, which destroyed the port of St. John and spawned a tsunami. Get to higher ground now.
Le type d'événement est flash flood. Pour l'ensemble du Nouveau-Brunswick, 2 navires dans le port de Saint-John ont explosé après une collision qui a détruit le port de Saint-John et déclenché un tsunami. Arrivé à un niveau supérieur maintenant.
Sean Penn!
How do you know these things?
The National Weather Service has issued a tsunami warning for the state of Maine. A tsunami has been formed due to a large explosion in the port of St. John, Canada. This tsunami is approximately 90 feet tall, and is moving at a speed of 63 miles per hour. Evacuate now. To repeat, a tsunami has been formed due to an explosion in the port of St. John, Canada. Evacuate now.